guys, welcome back to MG Crypto. Kindly do red subscribe button and also make sure you turn on the notification bell. So real quick, I just discovered this platform. Its name is dogemate.com, dogemate.com. It's a website that's going to give us free Doge coin. Absolutely nothing. As you can see the headline over here, it says earn free cryptocurrency, every crypto coin rather, every crypto coin, and the sign up button is here. The sign up button is over here, so you can just sign up for free. You can sign up for free. We don't need to pay for to withdraw or to do anything on this website. So guys, the way we could end on this website, this their features over here. They give fast withdrawals. Their withdrawals are instant, and you could earn via the referral program. You could earn via the level system, doing tasks for the day and getting your level higher. So while you are doing tasks and getting your level higher, you would get paid for that. So you could do various tasks like you could do other various tasks like offer walls, short link, PTC, and other tasks. So as you can see over here, there are support 24/7, secure connection and all of that. So guys, their draft method are is through the Faucet Pay and Coinbase. Please guys, please and please, this website is very strict. If you try creating two accounts on this platform, the first account that you have created will be blocked instantly. So guys, this platform, they do get their money from the advertisement shown on it, such as this one that's not shown finish, that's not clear rather, it's not clear. So guys, that's how they earn on this platform. So developers of this website do put advertisement on this website. So when we view this advertisement and generate leads to this advertisement, the website owners earn from that stuff. So when the website owners earn from that stuff, they do give us our revenue. So we are like workers on this website, working both to earn money we are working to earn money for the producers, while the producers are paying us directly. So guys, that's that for that. So guys, to register, just click on the start earning button. And you'll be redirected to this page, the registration page. It says here, be aware of below rules. You are not allowed to create multiple accounts. I've said that. You're not allowed to use VPN. That is very important. You're not allowed to cheat or do fraud. Guys, please, you need to follow guidelines. If not, your account will be terminated, stuff like that. So guys, you are not allowed to use ad blocks. Failure to complete human or capture verification, your account is at risk of being blocked. Alright guys, so violating any of these rules may make your account banned and your balance will be lost. Alright guys, so it's like I'm a registered user already. I'll go check that right now. So I'm a registered user. So I'll be logging in right now. Make sure you complete captchas and all of that stuff. So I'll be clicking on the sign in button real quick. So this is my page. It's so sweet. The page is so cool. See how cool it is. Alright, so my claim available for today is like 63, and I'll be showing you how we could claim that right now. Though I have no referrals, my earnings, because I just signed up on this website. So guys, without further ado, I'm gonna be showing you that. So real quick, this is how my dashboard is right now, because I logged out and I just logged in again. So guys, we're gonna be making some amount of Dogecoin by BTC offer walls and stuff like that. So guys, let's start with the stuff available for me to claim today. The claiming available for me today is like 69, and this is it. The end coin drop down where we have the short was the PTC ads, the task and the referral commissions. So guys, let's start with the short links. It seems that this is gonna pay a lot. This is gonna pay a lot. So guys, this is the first link. This is the first link, which is the bit links, and they are gonna be giving 90 coins for doing this stuff. First of all, guys, let's take a look at this coin stuff, how the coin works. So it seems that some advertisements have been placed already on this website, and our tax available for us to do today is 74. It has turned 74, and we have completed one out of all the tasks that was given to us. Alright guys, so that's how it works. That's about the short was that's how the short was works. So this is the PTC as. So the available PM ads on this stuff is 32, and we're going to be earning ourselves 712 coins for completing all these tasks. So the first one here says crypto dollar, beware of all these beware of all these advertisements on this website. It may be scam. So we are on this website to earn and not to register on the website. So guys, it says view for 30 seconds and earn this amount of coins. So guys, I'll be clicking on it right now to view it. So this is it. Let the page fully loaded to start timer counting. Alright guys, so the page is not fully loaded. It's not fully loaded. Alright guys, so it's loading already. The stuff is loading for our coins to be added automatically. It's loading already. It's at 18, 17, 16. So after this stuff is has loaded already, we'll be rewarded with 70 coins. 70 coins. Rewarded with 70 coins. So guys, it's loading. It's still loading. Alright, so you'll be shown human verification. Click on the unique crypto icon. Alright, this should be it. Alright guys, so this is it over here. 78 coins has been added to our main balance, which has made our main balance to be 600 and something, 656. So guys, that's how you could earn on the PTC. So the short was is about short links. Clicking on the short links, this platform also earn money from the short links they put on this website. So guys, that's about the PTC ads, and this is about the referral program. And the next on our list is the role game. The role game. There's it over here. Alright, note browser like Brave, Crypto Tab, and others are also some exception. Blocks is trying to say in essence is that we cannot use Brave browser and other stuff browser. So guys, we are gonna be clicking on this stuff that says you can roll everyone R. You can roll everyone R. Alright, so I'll be clicking on it right now. Alright, this is it. This is the page. This is where we are redirected to. So it says reach the level 5 to unlock the roll bonus. Your currently loyalty bonus is 0%. Since that the more we play on this platform, the more we use this platform, the more we could earn and start stuffs on this platform. Alright guys, so let me just try the stuff whether it would work, because I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about it working. So I'll click on roll now, and I'll check the notification. Alright. Anti-bot link invalid capture. It seems that I did not complete the capture correctly. Oh, there is another capture. Alright guys, so it says this one right now, so I'll be clicking on this. So there are a lot of advertisements on this platform. Alright guys, so this is it, and here it is. Alright, it seems that there's a capture here, so I'll be clicking on the rule now again. It says 20 coins has been added successfully, so we don't need to reach any level for us to claim with this the role game aspect. Alright guys, so the next on our list is the offer walls. So this offer walls is basically getting paid to do tasks like downloading games and all of that stuff. So in doing this stuff, you do not need VPN or other stuff like that, because it's not good for you to use VPN to download apps and do tasks under the off hours option, because it will not yield any profit to both advertisement and the advertisers and the publishers. Alright guys, so this is it. That's about the off hours. So this is the achievements I'm talking about. Yeah, as you progress in anything you do, you get paid. As you can see, this is complete 5 short links and you get 15 coins. Complete 10 short links, you get 30 coins. Apart from you getting coins based on what you have completed, based on what the task that you are doing, completing 5 short links per day is gonna get us over 15 coins. 15 coins. So guys, this is the ad manager. You could start your campaign. You could start campaign if you have something to advertise, like content creator. You can start your campaign. Deposit. You can deposit. Read the advertisement guide in order for you to be able to claim. In order for you to be able to claim real advertisement that may yield leads. So guys, with the withdrawal info, you can withdraw your available coins to your desired currency. You may withdraw your balance 5 times a day. Wallet addresses can be configured code there. Alright guys. It seems that I don't have enough coin to withdraw. So guys, this is it. Click on this config code here to set your raw wallet. Right, this is it. This is the Coinbase. This is the stuff. So this is my Coinbase. This is where to put the Coinbase. You can withdraw via the micro wallet or the direct wallet. So that's how this works. So if you want to withdraw via Coinbase, you can just input your Coinbase email address there, and you seek for withdrawals in this page. Just click on the draw up button. Click on the withdraw button. Then you'll be redirected to this page. You react to this page where you get paid to where you will be able to withdraw to Binance Coin, the Bitcoin Cash, and stuff like that using First SP and other stuff like that. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. Also make sure you turn on the notification bell.